I got this tree trimming tools, and I'm going to test it out today. First, this is the bag. This is the bag, so you can easily take it over to anywhere. And the saw is here. You can put inside here and carry it over. So take this out, take all the pieces out. It can be assembled together into up to 26 feet. So this is the top. All the units here. This is the handle, the last piece. And these are the other components. You can simply screw it and stick together. Let's see. All this. Look at the top. You can just look at the top. Take the top out. This is for pulling. And pull, just cut small pieces of leaves in here. These are all the pieces. So the saw was installed on this one. I thought all the poles are the same. They are not. For example, if you look at this one and this one, so this one is smaller, this one is bigger. So only this one can attach to the top. So I will use this one here to attach this one. Only it will fit the top one. Now screw on. Okay, it's tight. Now this one is the bottom and it has a handle. I'm only going to attach this one now, for right now. I think that's enough for the tree here. And okay, it's tight. It's tight now. So let's see. It will work. So this is the handle. This is the pull. Let's test this out. What I like about this tool is you can see it's easy to assemble and disassemble. No tools are required. For example, after it's done, just screw it down to disassemble. I bought this one and can reach 26 feet long. Most of the things I saw, most of the tools I saw, they can only reach 14 feet long, or something like that, or 18 feet long. So it's easy to assemble and disassemble, and it can reach long. Each of this one is about 3 feet long, and I have 8 of those. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Even the saw that I showed before, you can just easily take it off by unscrew here.